I made you a pizza. Here you go. Eat it. Yum, yum, yum. Here you go. Yum, 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 yum. Hey everyone, welcome back to my show. Today we're making pizza.
What kind of pizza are we making today?
We're making pepperoni, pineapple, and cheese.
Ooh.
My favorite cheese. I make it one for me, one for my mom, one for my dad. There's toppings. There's set. My mom says she wants pepperoni and pineapple, and my dad said he wants pepperoni, and I want cheese, which is my favorite.
Okay, show us how you make pizza.
Okay, I have 3 mini pizza crusts. This one's for mom, this one's for me, and this one's for dad.
Okay, perfect. What do you do first?
Okay, now let's add the cheese. I need pepperoni. Or I need the sauce. Get it? Yeah. Let's add the sauce. Gotta wait to strip.
I want to get a little bit more on the scoop.
Yeah.
Perfect. And now spread it.
The final part, we can eat the big ones later, or we can test out ours. Okay, now the next one. Put it there. Oops. Wow, that's way too much. Need a little bit more. Have you ever tried pizza before? I try pizza all the time.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Are you going to share it with your brother?
Yeah, he's sleepy right now. Let's get more. Wow, that's a lot.
That's good. Now spread it. I think it looks good.
Yeah. Now that cheese. Cheese, my favorite. Cheese sauce. After you add the cheese, you add pepperoni.
Yeah, spread the cheese evenly. Around in a circle. There you go.
Around the sauce. I think that's enough. Maybe this one needs a little bit more. That's a lot. If you add it in the oven, it will turn the cheese smooth and melted cheese.
Yeah.
Sprinkles. It's so much fun making pizza. Hands are dirty, but I can wash them later. I only wash them by making it. And center to spread out.
Bit of cheese over there.
Yeah.
All right, what's next? Okay, so which one's yours? Which one has the most cheese? I think the one in the middle.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
This one.
That one's yours. Okay.
This one's like kind of mine, and this one's dad's, and this one's mom's.
Okay, so do dad's first.
That's a human, not pepperoni. Looks like real chef. And we're in my restaurant to bake. And I got 2. There's one more. Or maybe 2. There. Now that Mama's. She says she wants pineapple. She wants pineapple with pepperoni. After pepperoni, we're gonna have Well, I only wanted the cheese. That's nothing toppings. There. Now that pineapple, let's bring it over. Pineapple. Have you ever tried pineapple before? This one smells. Also on pizza, yummy. You get any kinds you want. You can also pick it up in a restaurant, or it will deliver all by itself. That's it. Bring this over.
Alright, so Audrey, can you show us?
Yeah.
Just tilt it just a little bit so we can see the pizzas. Wow, that looks delicious. Okay, so we have to preheat the oven to 400 degrees, and we're gonna go bake these pizzas for 8 to 10 minutes.
Wow.
Alright, let's go, and that's something Mommy's gonna do. Okay, we'll be right back.
Yep. We'll be right back. Roll the clip. Okay.
Wow, that's a large pizza.
I know, they had to share it.
What kind of pizza toppings do they like?
They're like bell pepper and onions and tomato. Okay.
Pepperoni too?
Yeah. We're all done decorating it, but all we need is pineapple. You love pineapple too. Smells good.
That looks like a combination pizza.
What's a combination?
Combination is a pizza that has many toppings.
Oh yeah. When kids, when you say stop, I'll stop. Bell pepper is green. Uh-oh, I have sauce.
That's okay. I don't see much onion.
Look it. It's green. It looks like hair. Now that little bit more tomato. Hey, will you like pepperoni?
You hear that? I think it's ready. Maybe we'll check, okay?
Okay, I will put the onion. Whoa, it's not on the same topping. Hi, now the pizza is ready.
Yum, it looks so good.
This is Mama. Look at Mama's.
Yes, can't wait to eat it. Which one's yours?
Mine is this one.
Alright, so we're going to get ready to eat these pizzas.
Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. And make sure to subscribe. Bye. And wait, I made you pizza.